Welcome back, everybody. So this is what we got going on today. We got a Grizzly 660. It's raining. I'm trying to take advantage of some of this rain we got. I'm getting ready to do a head on it. But before I do the head, I got to get some of this mud off. I don't want all this going in the motor. So I love this stuff here. I'm taking some engine cleaner, some gunk, uh, engine cleaner degreaser, and trying to kind of let the rain wash it down as I'm spraying it. So taking advantage of some of this rain, but here shortly we are going to be removing this head. This is a Grizzly 660. Nice bike, man. I really like this bike. This is one of my friend's bikes. It's got a nice system that goes on it. It's taken apart right now because, of course, we're doing this head work. What it's got going on is this. It runs fine. It's mixing oil and water together in the coolant. So I've had some previous experience with blown head gaskets and different methods to fix that. So we're just gonna take it apart and see what we got going on. I suggested to him last night. I don't know what's in here right now, but I suggested putting head studs in it. And if it doesn't have a head stud or equivalent hardened bolt, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put a hardened bolt in it. I don't know if the factory head bolts were reused. He's had this rebuilt a couple times before, but we'll see that today and we'll figure out what's going on. But I guess this will be Grizzly Rebuild, 660 Grizzly Rebuild, Part 1. But this one I didn't record. Man, this thing was kind of rough. I didn't record it, but I'm gonna end up doing the same thing. My daughter has a Warrior 350. This is a Raptor 350. Also another customer's bike. I did a rebuild on it. I put a Wiseco crank in it. Over the last maybe 7 days, that's what I've been working on. I'm just getting kind of caught up. This thing, man, it was quite interesting. First time I've tore down and rebuilt a Yamaha engine. I like the design though. Everything looks like it'll hold up really really good under like doing wheelies and stuff. To where a lot of times or motors are deprived of oil. I think these types should do pretty good even in upright positions. And of course, back there we got that 400EX build. I said I wasn't gonna touch this thing until I get done with all the other stuff I had at hand. So that's where I'm at. We're not gonna start that yet, just because I had already promised my customer that I was gonna do this Grizzly, and also to finish up this Raptor. The Raptor's done now. It's running. It's having some carburetor issues, just because it sat for a couple months, waiting to get everything together to get done. These four-wheeler parts are expensive, man. These, especially, and he used all good stuff, so I know it was astronomical, the price tag on it, but it sat for a little while, waiting to get everything together, and the carburetor just kind of gummed up. When I took the bottom screw loose on the carb, man, a whole bunch of green stuff just came flooding out. But this is what we're on today. We're going to do this top end rebuild. And really not even a top end rebuild, because I'm not taking the jug off. It's really just taking the head off and changing the head gasket, possibly putting head studs, cleaning everything, resurfacing it. I might even show y'all how to resurface a ATV head using a backyard method, no machine shop. But that's what we're on for today. We also got a Warrior 350 like my daughter's inside here that we're gonna do a starter on. I tested the starter. Starter's bad, but I've got a used starter. I'm just gonna throw on it for today. See if we can get this thing fired up. So that's what we're on for today, man. We're on this Grizzly 660 head replacement, a Warrior 350 starter replacement, and my budget build 400EX, the last one, I'm waiting on a new carburetor to come in on it. So when that new carburetor gets here throughout the day, I'll throw it on as well. But those are three we're working on today. Y'all stay tuned. Grizzly 660 head repair.